Hi everyone, good morning. Jesenia here, patient coordinator for Dr. Salama. And I wanted to get on here and talk a little more about aftercare, as far as after you've had surgery, where you can stay, who can care for you, how long you should stay. So one of the main things I want to talk about is your length of stay. If you are doing any sort of procedure that involves liposuction where you have drains, you do want to plan on staying in town at least 9 days. The reason for that is because we want you to get your 2 massages done that are included in your lipo package, as well as get all of your follow-ups done, and most importantly, hopefully get your drains taken out before going back home so you don't have to deal with that. If you're doing a breast augmentation procedure or a breast lift procedure, you can stay in town anywhere from 4 to 6 days. Another important thing I'd like to talk to you about is your caretaker for after surgery. You are more than welcome to fly in town if you're from out of town or if you're local, to be cared for by a family member, spouse, or friend that can basically just make sure you're doing all right those first couple of days after surgery. We do have a helpful list of hotels that are in the area if you are from out of town. Another thing I'd like to bring up is if you plan on traveling alone and you've been researching on recovery homes, you want to make sure you're finding a recovery home that doesn't have so many patients where there's only maybe one caretaker caring for several patients at the same time. You do want to try to find a one-on-one caretaker, and we actually do have caretakers on that list where you'll find the hotels that can stay with you at either your hotel or Airbnb if you plan on traveling alone. Along with their phone number, you can contact them directly and they can tell you what services they offer and what their rates are. We also do have a driver for patients if you do not want to take Uber or Lyft. Otherwise, if you do plan on taking Uber or Lyft, remember that after surgery, you will have to ride in the car with a caretaker, such as your friend, spouse, family member, or the caretaker that you hired. Another important thing I'd like to talk about is after having surgery, if you've had any liposuction done, you do want to start to research who will continue to do your massages when you go back home if you are from out of town. So it's important that you try to research this before even coming here, since you'll need about 8 more massages when you get back home. So when you are looking for a massage therapist, and let's just say you live in a small town and it's not common to find people that do post-surgery massages, we give you a massage order that looks kind of like a prescription, and it breaks down and tells the massage therapist exactly what to do, how often they should do it, and how long the massage should be. So you could take that to any massage therapist, and most times they'll be able to do the massage for you. So remember to do lots of research for after your surgery, not only before, because it is important that you get all of these things taken care of prior to coming here if you're from out of town. Local too. If you do have any questions or you do want access to that list of caretakers and hotels and the driver, you can contact any one of us here at the office via email or by phone, and we will email it straight to you. Now, don't forget to follow us, like us, share us, and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you very soon. Bye.